Yesterday we learned practice set 5.3. Then some of the students are given homework of the 5.3. Then we are going to learn practice set 5.4. So that practice set 5.4 first question we are going to learn. So see here, here is if two coins are tossed. What they are said, two coins are tossed. Means you have taken two coins and throw. That is called as two coins are tossed. Find the probability. What is meaning of probability? Possibilities. Okay, that is another words, possibilities of the following events. So they are given the events, but that event's name is not given. So that event names can be given by us. So see the first event, getting at least one head. So here is the in this event they are said you must be get one head. You must be get one head. So you can write one head, and if you get greater than one head, that is also taken because at least one head. So at least one head means you have taken minimum one and greater than one also. Then another getting no head means in this problem we are taken there is no head means all are the tails. So first these all events you want to get. So first step is that we can write the solution, and after write the solutions we can write the sample space. So here is given the notes for you. Why we are giving the notes for you? Because some of the students are confused. Some of the students means I am having according to my experience that 60% students are confused here in words at least. At least means one or more than one. So that is remember. Or you when you are listen this lecture, after complete listen your lecture, you may write it into your notebook also. At least one means one or more. Means suppose the answer at least one. So you have taken one also, and if there is you are getting another head also means two head also, then that two head is also written. So that is meaning of at least. And at most one they are said. So at most means you are there said at most one म्हणजे one you can write there only one you cannot write there two because they are said at most mean one or none means only one. So this is the main difference. Here is right at most one, so you are right one head. If they are right at most two, then you are right only two. So at most means whatever they instruct, that much is right. That is called at most. And at least one. So at least one means you can write one and greater than two also. बघा थोडंसं मराठीत सांगायला ऍटलिस्ट जेव्हा शब्द म्हणतील समजा ऍटलिस्ट हेड म्हणतील किंवा ऍटलिस्ट वन हेड म्हणेल तेव्हा ऍटलिस्ट वन हेडचे जेवढे एक्झाम्पल आहेत तेवढे एक्झाम्पल लिहायचे आणि जर वन हेड पेक्षा आणखीन एक हेड असेल म्हणजे टू हेडचं एक्झाम्पल असेल तर टू हेडचं एक्झाम्पल लिहायचं थ्रीचं असेल तर थ्रीचं पण लिहायचं म्हणजे जेवढे एकापेक्षा जास्त हेड मिळतील ते पण ऍटलिस्ट जेव्हा म्हणतील तेव्हा लिहायचं आहे. म्हणजे ऍटलिस्ट हेड म्हटलं असेल वन हेड म्हटलं असेल तेव्हा आपण एक हेडचे एक्झाम्पल लिहिणार दोन हेडचे एक्झाम्पल लिहिणार आणि जर तीन हेडचे पण असेल तर तीन हेडचे पण असेल तर आपण ते पण लिहिणार. टेल म्हटलं जरी ऍटलिस्ट वन टेल तरी त्याला पण सेम असंच वन टेल पण लिहिणार टू टेल पण लिहिणार हे लक्षात ठेवा. म्हणजे हे ऍटलिस्टच्या वेळी होतं. आणि ज्यावेळी आपण ऍटमोस्ट शब्द असतो ऍटमोस्ट वन म्हटलं असेल तर एकच लिहायचा हे लक्षात ठेवा. So this is very important thing. So that can be written into the red mark and there is written notes. Means that must be you remember in your mind. So you don't forget it. So first step is the you can write the sample space. So you want to write the sample space. So see, let S be the sample space. So which sample space you want to write? Two coins are tossed. So you have taken the two coins and that two coins are thrown. So there is the probability is you are getting head, you are getting head tail, you are getting tail head, you are getting both tails. Okay. So that is the probability. So here is the we are right when the two coins are tossed, then sample space for the two coins are tossed. You are getting both coin head. Okay, you are getting both coin head. You are getting this head See, this is the second head. So that second head can be converted into tail. So here is you are getting head tails. Then after that you are right this head tail. You are right first you are getting tail. Then you are getting head. So tail head. And last possibility is tail tail. Okay. So this is all the possibilities. That much having how many possibilities? Four possibilities there is written. Two head, head tail means head tail head and tail tail. Is it possible the another possibility? No, because in the two coins when they are thrown, then you are getting only four possibilities. Okay, then we are going to, we can write a number of them. So number of s is equal to 4. So here is written number of s is equal to 4. Then we are write the events. So see the events. Let A be the event where at least one head turn up. What is the event they are said? They are said at least one head get. They are said you must be get at least one head. But if you get more than one head, you also write here. Because there is the at least word. At least means you can write whatever they say and greater than that. So they are said at least one head. So you can write one head, and if there is a greater than one head, then that is also you write. Okay. So that is the meaning of at least. So don't be confused there. So see, this example is the one head. See HT. This example is the one head. TH. This example is the one head. And this one head condition is completed at least. But if they are having the two heads, then you can take two heads. See, here is they are having the two heads, so we can take here two heads. And this is all written from the sample space. Remember that. So with help of sample space, we are write the events. They are said one head, so we are taken head, tail head, and if greater than one head is also possible, so head. So you are getting head, tail, and tail head. So number of A is equal to 3. Any doubts here? If you have doubts, ask me. Then we are going towards the next. Find out the probability of this. So what you want to find out probability of A events. So I already explained here. Here is given only events, but that event's name is not given. And I am explaining you that that event's name can be taken by us. Means I am taken A. Suppose you are taken P, you are taken Q, no problem. Okay. So remember that when there is not given name for the events, you can take any name which you like. So here is I am write the let A be, but what will be the name you are taken, that can be right here. So let A be the events where at least one head turn up. So at least one head. So you are right one head examples. So that is head, tail and tail head, and greater than one is also possible. So head. So there are you are getting three heads. So three sample space. So number of A is equal to 3. So you want to find out probability of A. So here is right P for probability, A for events. So probability of A is equal to which probability you want to write? That is rewrite as a numerator. So number of A. So here is right number of A. And at denominator there is right sample space. This is also remember you, because 60% students are right wrong here in exam. I don't know why they are right wrong. I think due to the tension of exam they are doing wrong. But you remember that you only lock in your mind that the denominator is only always sample space. Denominator is always sample space. So if you remind it that denominator is always sample space, then you are never right wrong. You always write correct, because denominator is a number of s. It is the denominator, and here is numerator number of a. So probability of a is equal to number of a divided by number of s. So you are substitute the values here. Number of a is equal to what? 3. So here is right 3. Probability means sample space 4. So you are right here 4. So number of a 3. So I write here 3. Number of s 4. So I write here 4. So probability of A is equal to 3 upon 4. Any doubts? Then we are going towards the another events. So what will be that event? Just see on a screen. So let B be the events where no hair turns up. What they are said? B is the events, but in that event you cannot get. This is the B is the events. In that event, they are underlying these words no head turn. Means you are not right head. Single head also is not possible there. So see, how can you write events? So there is not head possible, so you are right only tail. So B is equal to TT. This is one thing, TT. Means when two coins are thrown, you are getting tail on both coins because they are not want head. So I am write this example only TT means tail. So what will be the number of B? So number of B is equal to 1. And all of you know very well the sample space, that is the number of S, is equal to how many 4. So I want to write the probability of B. So probability of B is equal to, see, probability of B is equal to, I have already explained you. You always remember that at a denominator there is number of S. At the denominator there is number of S. Remember that. At a denominator there is number of S. And at a numerator, whose probability you want to find out? Whose probability you want to find out? That is written here at a numerator. So there is, I want to find out probability of B. So here is right number of B. If I want to find out probability of A, then here is right number of A. If I want to write probability of C, then here is right number of C. Is that clear? Okay. So probability of B is equal to number of B upon number of S. So C. Number of B 1. So I write here 1. Number of S 4. So I write here 4. So probability of B is equal to 1 upon 4. Are you understand? So this is the first questions completed to find out the probability. Then we are going to the another problems that a 2 digits number is formed with a 2 digits number is formed with digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. Without repetition means that number is not repeated. I will explain you when I write that. What is the probability that the number from is? First they are said events odd number. So you can write odd number. Odd number means one, at unit place there is 1, there is 3, there is 5, there is 7 and 9. So when the unit place having that's number, 1 number is there, 3 number is there, 5 number is there, 7 number is there and 9 number is there, then it is odd numbers. A multiple of 5 means multiple of 5 means 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Such a way you are go on. So that is called as multiple of 5. So we want to write this first. So we want to write the sample space. So we can write the sample space. So how can we write the sample space? Just so here it is. I write the sample space. But how I write that sample space? That I explain you. So don't take tension about that. How can I write this sample space? So see, here is it is the first number. Which is that number 2. Okay. So that 2 can be make pairs with each and every numbers that is given to you. So see, 2 can be make pairs with 3, 23. So here is I write 23. 2 can be make pairs with 5, so 25. So here is I write 25. 2 can be make pairs with 7, so you are getting 27. So here is I write 27. 2 can be make pairs with 9, so here is you get 29. Okay. So what I do, do you understand? I can make 2 pairs with 3, 23. 2 pairs with 5, 25. 2 pairs with 7, 27. 2 pairs with 9, 29. Okay. So when you get here 9, then you have taken another number, next number. So which is the next number? 3. So with help of this 3, that 3 can be also paired with given numbers. But one thing is here is, I am not explaining the one thing, and that thing I explain here. They are said without repetition. Without repetition means these 2 and again 2 you don't write. Means you don't write here 22. Because 2 there is a repetition of number 2. So that is called repetition. Means if you write 22, then it is repetition. So here is we are not write 22 because they are given condition without repetition. But students, there is given without repetition, and we have solved this problem so many times because you are all are hard study students. So you have solved this problem so many times, and so this problem when you read, you are nothing read carefully, and in exam they are not given without words, without repetition is not given. Then when they are not given without repetition, then the 22 is possible. So remember, in exam, each and every question can be read properly. Don't be hurry. Okay? Because here is without repetition they are said. So I am not repeat 2 together means 22. So I am not write here 21 because without repetition. Then I will complete first without repetition. Then here is 3. 3 if I write 3 it is 33. But it is repetition. If I write 33 then number 3 is repeat here. So don't write 33. Then another number is 5. So if you repeat 5, then it is become 55. So when you write 55, there is repetition of 5. So don't be repeat 5. Then another number. It is the 7 number. So if you repeat the 7 number, 7 it becomes 77. Okay? 7 it becomes 77. So again you don't repeat this number. Means 77 you don't write. And last number is 9. If you repeat 9, then you get 99. So you don't write 99. So what you don't write? You don't write 22. You don't write 33. You don't write 55. You don't write 77. And you don't write 99. Any doubts? So here is except this number we are write all numbers. So we are started from 3. So first 3 2 that pairs making. So it is 32. Then you are making pairs of 3 with 5. 3 5. So here is you get 35. Then this 3 number is making pair with 7. So you are getting 37. So 37. Then this 3 number making pairs with 9. So it becomes 39. Then this 5 number. 9 is come again. Then you are going towards another number. Next number. So after 3 there is a which number? 5. So you are making 5 with 2. So here is 5 with 2, 52. Then you are going making pairs of 5 with 3. So you are getting 53. So I write here 53. Then you are making pairs of 5 with 7. Then you are getting 57. Then you are go 5 making pairs with 9. So you are getting 59. Is that clear? So such a way 59 means 9 is get. So after 5 which number? That number you are taken. So after 5 which number is there? 7. So what you take? 72. So here is I write 72. After 7 you are making pairs with 3. 73. So here is I write 73. After 7 you are making pairs with 5. So here is you get 75. Then after 7 you are making pairs with 9. Means 7 pairs with 9. So you are getting 79. So here is 9 you are getting. So after 7 which number is there? 9. So you are making pairs of 9 with each and every number. So 9 can be make pairs. So this 9 making pairs with 2. So you are getting 92. Then this 9 making pairs with 3. Then you are getting 93. Then this 9 making pairs with 5. So you are getting 95. Then this 9 making pairs with 7. So you are getting 97. It is not possible to write 99. If you write 99 then that number is repeat. Are you understand this what I explain you? Then we can write the number of s. So see the number of s is equal to what? 20. So that is written here. Number of s is 20. So we are going towards the first event. So what will be the first event? Let A be the events that 2 digits odd number are found. So there is odd number digits you are right. Odd number digits mean unit place having 1, unit place having 3, unit place having 5, unit place having 9. So that all numbers are odd numbers. So just see. I will already said unit place having 3, so 23, unit place having 5, so 25, unit place having 7, so 29, unit place having 9, so 29, unit place having 5, so 35, unit place having 7 for 37, unit place having 9 for 39, unit place having 5 for 53, unit place having 7 for 57, then unit place having 9 for 59, unit place having 3 for 73, unit place having 5 for 75, unit place having 9 for 79, unit place having 3 for 93, unit place having 5 for 95, unit place having 7 for 97. So these all event A numbers, so that all events A number is the odd number, that is the 2 digits number, and all that number is taken from sample space. So what will be the number of A? So see, the number of A is equal to 60. Okay, any doubts here? Then we are going to the another. You can find out the probability of this A. So probability of A is equal to number of A, see, number of A upon number of X. I already given you idea that you remember that denominator is always number of X. Denominator is always number of X. And numerator is always whose probability you want to find out, that is the numerator. So you want to find out probability of A, so you are right here numerator A. Okay? So numerator A upon numerator S. Substitute the value. Numerator A 16. So I write 16. Numerator S 20. So I write 20. 4 4 is 16. 4 5 is 20. So 4 is divided 16. 4 4 is 16. So here is you get 4. 4 5 is 20. So here is you get 5. So probability of A is equal to 4 upon 5. Any doubts? Are you understand it? Then we are going to the events B. So let B be the events that the 2 digits number is multiple of 5. So in these digits you want to write a multiple of 5 number only. Means 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So 5 is not possible there because here is write the 2 digits number. So there is not possible of 5. So there is possible of 10. There is possible of 15. There is possible of 20. It's all. So see, there is multiple of 5. So 25. In sample space, which number is there? That number are taken multiple of 5. Okay. You are not write a multiple of 5 by your minds. म्हणजे काय बोललो मी की हे जे मल्टिपल ऑफ 5 तुम्ही येणार आहात ते सॅम्पल स्पेस मधले घेणार आहात. तुमच्या मनानुसार मल्टिपल ऑफ 5 येणार नाही. इज दॅट क्लिअर फॉर यू? सो whatever be the multiple of 5 that is written from sample space. So this is the 25, this is the 35, this is the 75, this is the 95. So number of B is equal to, you are getting 4. Any doubts? Then I want to find out probability of B. So see, probability of B is equal to number of B upon number of S. I already explained you that. You remember that number of S is always at denominator and numerator whose probability you have to find out. So number of B is equal to 4, so I write here 4. Number of S is 20, so I write here 20. Is it possible to divide? It divides. 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20. So probability of B is equal to 1 upon 5. So probability of B is equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, is that clear? So it is 4 upon 5 is the probability of A and 1 upon 5 is the probability of B. Then we are going to the problem number 3. Okay, we are just going to the problem number 3. So see, whatever they are given. A card is drawn at random. What is the meaning of random? Random means what? Random means it is not by sequence. Sequence means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Such a series number that is called in sequence. Means no number is there drop. All numbers are taken serially. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called sequence. But random means what? If you are finding, you are going to take the card in your hand, there you will get 10 number. Again you are go, you get 2 number. Again you are go, you get 20 number. Means that number having no sequence. That number you are getting, that is random. That is called random. Random means there is not a sequence. The number is coming. There is no sequence. We cannot say if I am just kept my hand in a box and just take number, then I get 50. Again I kept my hand in box and again take number, then that number 1 also and that number 100 also. So you are getting, that is called random. Means there is a no sequence. You are getting 1, you are getting 5, you are getting 8 also, you are getting 0 also. So that is called random. Okay. So it is called random from pack. A well shape 52 playing cards. Find the probability, possibility that given events. So an act S, about S and S and spade, that probability you have to write. So first you want to write sample space. So if you want to write the sample space, so all of you know very well, in the playing card they are having 52 cards. So what will be the sample space? 52. So here is, we write S sample space, number of S is equal to 52. Here I want to inform you that some of the students whose drawing is very well, what they are doing, do you know? They are just write sample space without picture. They write 1, 2, means S, 2, 3, 4 of all suits with well design. It is not necessary, remember that. Don't be waste your time. You are directly saying sample space. In the playing card, they are having 52 cards. So number of S is equal to 52. Okay. So I write number of S is 52. Then what I want to find out? Then I want to find out S. So what is that S? So how many suits having in the playing cards? In the playing cards, they are having the 4 suits. How many suits? 4 suits. So this S is each and every suit they are having a S. So how many S is there? 4. See, how can I explain this? Whatever I say, that can be right here only. Then let A be the events that card drawn is an S. There are 4 suits. Okay, there are 4 suits. So each suit they are having S. So see, the first suit spade, there is having S. Another third, there is having S. Another diamond, there is having S. Another and last club, they are also having the S. So how many suits? 4 suits. So number of S is equal to 4. So number of S is equal to 4. Here also you don't draw the diagram of एक्का. हे मुद्दाम मराठीत म्हटलं मी एक्का. कारण बऱ्याच मुली लगेच एक्क्याच्या या सगळ्या पत्ते काढतात. So it is not necessary to draw the diagram. Remember that. You are only to explain that in the playing card they are having the 4 suits. Each and every suit having S. So they are having the 4 suits. So there is the S is 4. So number of A is equal to 4. Okay. Then this is the second event. So number of S is equal to 4. So first we can find out the probability of A. So probability of A is equal to number of S. See, at the denominator there is a number of S. I will say the first number of S because I want to hammering in on your mind that number of S is always having at a denominator. So that must be you remember. So I am coming here first. So denominator is number of S. And here is a numerator, that is the number of it. Okay. So the numerator is always whose probability you want to find out, that is the numerator. So number of A 4. So I write here 4. 4. Okay, number of A 4. Number of S 52. So I write here 52. 4 is divided 52. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. 4 3s are 12. So 1 upon 13. See, the probability of A is equal to 1 upon 13. Then we are going to the events B. So see, let B be the events that card drawn is a spade. Card drawn is a spade. So I think that all of you know very well, when I am just start the probability, then I am already explain you in the playing card they are having 4 suits. And each suits having how many members? Each suits having 13 members. So I also explained there why each suits having 13 members, because the players they are having 4 suits and playing cards having 52. So 52 is divided by 4. So 4 is divided 52. Then answer is 13. So each suit having 13 playing cards. So playing cards, they are having the 52 cards. So that 52 cards having the 4 suits, 4 divided 52. So answer is 13. So each suits having 13 cards. So spade is the one of the suit from these 4 suits. So there are 13 cards in a suit. So number of B is equal to 13. Okay, number of B is equal to 13. So I want to write the probability. So probability of B is equal to number of A's at a denominator, number of A's, and at a numerator number of B. At a numerator, whose probability you want to find out, that is right at a numerator. So number of B upon number of A's. Any doubts here? Then you have substitute the value. Number of B 13. So I write here 13. Number of A's 52. So I write here 52. 13 1 जा 13. 13 4 जा 52. So 1 upon 4. So probability is 1 upon 4. Any doubts? Are you understand these questions? The problem number 1, problem number 2, problem number 3. That's all the problems we have learned here. I hope that all of you are understanding very well. But if anyone is having doubts in their minds, then you can ask me on your personal WhatsApp numbers. Then I am giving homeworks that I am hope that all of my students will understand. But it is necessary to check what you understand. So that purpose I am giving you homework. So see on a screen there is a homework, and that homework you must be completed and send me on my WhatsApp numbers. And you are stay in your home because you must be safe from corona, and have a nice day. Bye. Join us.